Guys, today I'll be showing you my 208 pieces art set. It's color pink. Now let's open it now. Look at it. Wow, so beautiful. This is my color pencils and my paintbrush, ruler and sharpener, mini markers and large markers and paper clips and large paper clips and some paint and some 2 paper clips and some glue and eraser and oil pastels and the marker. Oh, crayons. We gotta start making an artwork. First, we need some sponge and paintbrush, markers, green color marker, and some water and watercolor paint. Now we're gonna start making the flower. First, we're gonna do the stem. We're gonna use brown color. Brown color stem. Now we're gonna make the flower. First, we need a sponge. And then paint it with the Now we're done now. Now we're gonna make the leaf. We're gonna use a marker to make the leaf. We're gonna make the clouds using the oil pastel. Spread it, spread it.
I'm gonna help you.
Okay. Run. Oh, there you go. I hope you like this, guys. Next, we're gonna do another artwork. First, we need some poster paint. I'm gonna show you the colors. There's red, green, yellow, some yellow, and the brown, blue, and yellow, orange. Oh, orange. And we need some tape too, and sponge, and paintbrush. Now let's start. First, we're gonna put masking tape on the paper. We're gonna peel off the masking tape.
Slowly. Slowly, slowly.
You first. You first.
Wait.
Hey.
Slowly, gently. Like this. Wow.
Wow. Oh, look. Yeah. It's nice.
Slowly, slowly.
Wow! 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 Now here is my artwork. It has a lot of color paints for the design. I hope you like this, guys. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching.